Hello and welcome to Technical with Kranti, and today we are going to see the fourth question on linked lists. Overall, it is going to be the 30th video in our DSA series. In this video, we will first understand the problem, the approach to solving the problem, the pseudocode and Python implementation of the solution. So, the thought for the day is that keep yourself busy in doing the right things even non-efficiently, because when you think you are free, you are definitely trapped in doing something wasteful or even harmful. So today we'll be looking into the question which is deleting the nth node from the last, not from the beginning, but from the last. So let's understand the question. We need to delete the nth node from the back of the linked list. For example, we have a linked list over here and we have to delete the kth node from the back. So kth, if k is 2, then we have to delete fourth node, and the output or the modified linked list should be this 1, 2, 3, 5. I request you to visit the link provided in the description for practicing the question before you see the approach to solving the question and the Python implementation of it. We iterate along the linked list to find the length of the linked list. So first iteration on the linked list is just to count the length of the linked list, which comes out to be 5. Now, if k is equals to 2, which means the second node from the back has to be deleted, then we can say that n minus k is equals to 3. So we need to take 3 jumps starting from the first node. First jump, second jump and third jump. With third jump, we'll come on the node which we have to delete. We'll keep the track of the previous node as well, and after reaching the n minus kth node, what we'll do is we'll modify the linkage of the previous node to point to the next node. In the first approach, we saw that if the kth node from the linked list has to be deleted, then from the start, n minus k jumps have to be made. So what we'll do is we'll have first two pointers, first pointer and a second pointer, and the first pointer will traverse k jumps. So k is equals to 2. K is equals to 2 would mean that with first jump it will come over here, and with the second jump it will come over here. After traversing or after taking the k jumps, both the first and the second pointer will jump one jump at a time. So F and S move here, F and S move here with one more jump, and when F is equals to null, then this S is equals to the kth node from the end. Here also we'll keep track of the previous node, and once the F pointer goes to null and S pointer reaches the node to be deleted, we'll modify the linkage of the previous node to point to the next node, henceforth deleting this node. Now let's understand the pseudocode. So we'll have first one and second one both as head of the linked list. Then we'll have while k is greater than 0, k minus is equals to 1 and f is equals to f dot next. This while loop will take f k jumps ahead, and then while f, which means while f has not reached the end of the linked list, move both f ahead and s ahead. Once this while loop finishes, we'll keep track of the previous node as well. So p is equals to s, and then s equals to s dot next happens after that. So after that we'll have p dot next is equals to p dot next dot next. With this, the linkage gets modified, and that's the pseudocode for you. Now let's understand the Python implementation of it. So this is the same class where we have written the solution of various other questions that we have solved on the linked list previously. For example, merge two sorted linked list, finding the middle element of the linked list, or reversing the linked list. In the same class, we have added the method for removing nth node from last. Now let's say I want to delete the third node from back. Will it work? I hope you liked the video and the approach to solving the question. The link to the question is there in the description. Visit that link and solve the question for yourself. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.